Hi, I'm Clark Barr. I'm our Director of Methodology and Product Architecture within our Climate Solutions team here at Sustainalytics. In our previous video, I shared information with you on what makes our low carbon transition ratings truly unique in the market. In this last video of our series, I'm happy to share an overview of the methodology behind our new rating and explain what it measures. A reminder from our last video session, Sustainalytics low carbon transition ratings provide investors with a science-based, forward-looking assessment of public issuers' alignment to a net zero pathway. The framework, developed by our team of climate experts in partnership with our industry-leading research team, measures the degree to which a company's projected GHG emissions differ from its net zero pathway between now and the year 2050. Ultimately, we arrive at an overshoot or undershoot of its cumulative emissions budget. In this process, we account for management preparedness by looking beyond the company's ambitions and targets. We leverage over 85 general and sub-industry specific management indicators to compare a company's actual preparedness against its need to do a complete business model transformation. The ratings offer a clear connection to the TCFD thematic areas with a dedicated TCFD module that enables investors to assess the scope and quality of a company's disclosure. So, how do the ratings work? At their heart, there's three major projections that make up the rating. The first is the emissions budget. This is a company-specific budget that is determined by the company's industry as well as the location where it operates. Secondly is the baseline emissions. This is a projection of the company's emissions if it were to take no management actions. So where would the emissions be if it wasn't managing those emissions positively or negatively? And the third is where we actually expect the company's emissions to be. This includes the company's management assessment to say, okay, where was the baseline and how will that differ based on its positive or negative management? There are two key dimensions in this rating. The exposure score, which is the difference between the company's baseline values and its budget. And then on top of that, we have the management score, which adjusts that baseline value up or down to give a projection of its expected emissions. The exposure score and the management score come together into an overall assessment of the company's alignment to the net zero budget. This is where we compare the expected emissions versus that budget. It's ultimately expressed as an implied temperature rise value that explains to what degree the world would warm if the entire global economy had the same level of management of emissions as this company. In closing, I hope this overview of the methodology allows you to better understand how we constructed our low carbon transition ratings. We're excited to launch this product soon, but in the meantime, you can contact your client advisor team to arrange a product demo, and you can learn more about this product through our website. If you have any questions prior to the launch, please contact us. We thank you for your interest in this product, and we look forward to meeting your climate-related research, ratings, and data needs. Thank you very much.